Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting to Wi-Fi on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Connecting to Wi-Fi on the Qashqai is easy to do once you know how. Follow the steps to learn how to connect your Nissan Qashqai to a Wi-Fi network. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. In the settings, tap Connections. Tap to select the Wi-Fi tab at the top of the screen. Then tap on the Wi-Fi network you would like to connect to. Enter the Wi-Fi password and tap OK. Your car will now be connected to that Wi-Fi network. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.